Welcome to Bento's Accounting Export tutorial. If your accounting software is QuickBooks Online, please see the video that is specifically created for that integration. Otherwise, you're in the right place. We know how tedious and difficult it can be to reconcile your transactions and close your books at the end of the month, and we hope to simplify that for you. In this video, we will walk you through how to add and customize your GL account, class, and location field values to Bento, how to code transactions and export them to your accounting software. Start by accessing the Transactions page where Bento displays all transactional data and selecting the Accounting tab. This view is specifically designed for streamlining accounting. Next, click on the Accounting Export button and select your accounting software from the selection screen. If your software is not specifically listed, just click on Other Accounting Software. You'll now have the ability to import and customize how your GL account, location, and class information is displayed in Bento. To add fields in Bento, we recommend that you upload a CSV file populated with field values for your GL account, location, and class. You can also add these values manually if you choose. By default, we will display the values you add or import as is in Bento. If you're okay with that, you can click Done to end this setup. However, if you want to customize, rename, or delete any field values to display them differently in Bento, you can do so by making changes in the table below. If you want to allow team members to tag transactions themselves, you can turn the permission button just above the table on. If you turn it on, the team members will be able to see your accounting field values and tag their own transactions. Once you have made all the changes you want, click Done to finish your setup and move on to the export screen. You can always access this custom mapping page from your Account Export Settings button. Bento gives you a lot of different options to filter, sort, and tag your transactions. By default, your transactions are sorted by settlement date in the Accounting tab. You can customize what columns you see in your display by clicking on the Column Display button. You can filter transactions by any field you want by clicking on the filters in the left-hand menu. You can even filter transactions which are not tagged to make it easy for you to tag them one at a time or in bulk. Let's say you want to code your transactions to the appropriate GL account. You would first use the Filters menu to display all transactions that don't have a GL account coded to them. Next, if you want, choose to apply other filters and then use the checkboxes in the Transactions table to select all the transactions you want to code with a particular GL account. After selection, click on GL account, pick the correct value, and press Save, and the transactions will be coded correctly. Once you have done this for all the transactions you want to code, simply click on the Accounting Export button to go to the Export screen. Here you have the option of reviewing and exporting your transactions based on date and filters. To access the Custom Mapping screen to manage your field settings, click on the Custom Mapping option from the Settings button. We hope this explains how best to take advantage of Bento to simplify coding transactions and end-of-month closings. If you have any more questions, you can find helpful articles in our support section.